Okay. 2.5 meter knee wrap rolls. So if you have the rep roller, you'll get as much preload into the wrap as you can there, because the more you get in with the roller, the less you have to do yourself. Ideally, if it's tight enough here, if you let loose in your hand, you should see it want to unspin itself. If it won't, then let's say you gotta roll it tighter. Plus, with the roller, you're likely to get them both pretty consistent. Or if you do it this way, you fucking get tired on the first one, and you do a half-ass second one. Okay, follow me. All right, the good stuff. So here's your patellar tendon, right? There to about there. That's round one. Then we want to go about in a half rep increment for each one that follows. And the whole wrap, at the most, doesn't really need to go much higher than here, because getting wraps up here isn't going to create any tension in the ligament. You're not getting any stretch out of the wrap that has any meaningful impact. So use the chalk to stick the wraps, and also use it as a bit of a guide. Okay. Always start each leg right here on the bottom, right in that crease, and come right across that patella right there. And always from the inside out. So on the other leg, you're gonna be this way. Back in that crease, right across the bottom of your patellar. Don't kill yourself to get that first wrap vice grip tight. Just get it there and get it to stick. This is where it gets serious. So tighten your fucking leg up, because if you're slack, A, you'll lose all the blood flow to the rest of your legs, and by the time you get to the platform, you won't feel like you're gonna pass out. So tight leg, no bend. Here, this is where you get tension in the wrap, right here. Tight as you can. Don't try to fight it all the way around. Right at the start. See the bottom wrap? Next wrap, halfway up. Same thing here. Tight. Tight. So that's 4. No more going up. Now we're going across. From the top to the bottom outside. Again, right here. No slack left. Down across. Back up. Whatever you got left is gonna basically go right over that top 4th one or a little higher. When you know you're almost out, get a little slack in there. Finish it. I try to ignore the excruciating pain coming from the other leg. Do the same fucking thing. Inside out, same spot in the bottom, tight, across. Tight. And from the top from the inside, down across. To the top. Finish it. So, try to always end with this extra little bit of flap right on top. I'll get them off and I'll explain why. Oh, by the way, that's what your legs should look like if they were tight enough. White. So, with the knot sitting right on top, couldn't ask for a better visual aid advantage for the side judge who's looking at depth, because he's looking at the top of the knee to the crease of the hip. So, make a big fat pile right on top of your knee wrap. That's it. Fucking tired.